Moving on to our next performance. It is a Krishna Ras Leela, performed by all the ladies of Sri Guru Datta Nrityalaya. Let's take a seat back and enjoy the Ras Leela as we are going to see Krishna and many Gopikas and their antics. I welcome on stage all the ladies of Sri Guru Datta Nrityalaya: Radha, Suvarna, Supriya, Praveena, Sheetal, Savita, Kambeshwari, Upasana, Pavana, Deepa, Sharanya, Renuka, Rutuja, Payal, Panchami, Rachita, Prajakta, Sukanya, Gunjan, and Rajni ma'am.
मन्तरे माधवं 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 चान्तरे नाङ्गना इत्थमा कल्पिते मण्डले मध्यग सञ्जगौ वेणुना देवकी नन्दन अङ्गना मङ्गना मन्तरे माधवं 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 चान्तरे नाङ्गना इत्थमा कल्पिते मण्डले मध्यग सञ्जगौ कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे कृष्ण क्वापि वीणाभिरा राविणा कम्पिता क्वापि
That was a mesmerizing Krishna Ras Leela, wasn't it?